Emergency preparedness for wildfires. Wildfires are common in Texas, especially after long periods of drought. They can spread quickly and produce dangerous smoke, threatening property, lives, and health. Help reduce your risks by learning how to respond. When the threat of wildfires is high, stay tuned to local radio, television, or get information from the National Weather Service. Be prepared to evacuate immediately. Before a wildfire, park your car in the direction of escape. Keep the windows rolled up to prevent smoke from entering. Load your family disaster supply kit in the car. Keep other things you plan to take with you nearby. Don't let children or other family members stray from your home. Confine all pets to one room or area of the yard so you can gather them quickly. Wear protective clothing, long sleeves and long pants. Keep a handkerchief in your pocket to protect your face. Leave the lights in your home on so firefighters can see it through dense smoke. Before you leave, call an out-of-town contact and tell them where you plan to go. During a wildfire, smoke can pose a serious health threat, especially if you have chronic heart or lung disease. Children and older adults are also at greater risk. Even healthy people can be affected by smoke conditions. Smoke from wildfires is a mixture of gases and fine particles from burning trees and plants. It can hurt your eyes, irritate your respiratory system, and worsen symptoms from pre-existing conditions. Common symptoms of smoke exposure include coughing, scratchy throat, irritated sinuses, shortness of breath, chest pain, headaches, stinging eyes, and runny nose. If you experience any of these symptoms, take the following measures. Limit outdoor activities as much as possible. When you must go outside, keep the windows and doors of your home shut. Run the air conditioner with the fresh air intake closed and use high-efficiency particulate air or HEPA filters. Avoid cooking as much as possible. Do not burn candles or use fireplaces. Do not use vacuum cleaners that can stir up dust already inside your home. Drink plenty of water to keep your airways moist. To help relieve dryness, breathe through a warm, wet cloth. Preparing now for disasters can save your life. That's why it's important to have a plan, to have essential items needed to live through a disaster, and know how you'll get credible information during a crisis. For more information, visit texasprepares.org.